Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Villarraga. I'm going to talk about what I plan to do in my next vacations. I am quite excited. I am going to Cancun in the summer. I need a break. I am going to go with my wife. We will be there for 5 days. We will have a ship flight with Avianca. We are going to take comfortable clothes. We are going to stay at a hotel near the beach. We are going to visit a lot of places. I am sure we are going to visit Xcaret. Xcaret is a park located in Playa del Carmen. I am going to swim with my wife in the beach. We are going to go to the disco to dance and drink cocktails. My wife is going to the shopping. She going to buy gift for the family. Thanks.